Artificial intelligence is reshaping how we teach, learn, work, and connect. The question isn't whether AI will change higher education. The question is, who will lead that change? Last week, Texas A&M University-Kingsville answered that question. From April 13th through 17th, 2026, TAMUK hosted the inaugural South Texas AI Symposium, a full week of faculty-focused, campus-wide engagement at the intersection of artificial intelligence and high-impact practices in higher education. This wasn't a single lecture in a single room. The symposium was designed to meet people where they are, spread across colleges, built around real schedules, and shaped by voices from every discipline. Faculty could drop in at their own college. Staff could engage in sessions designed for their work. Students could explore AI's role in the future they're preparing for. Qualifying attendees even had the opportunity to earn an AI Exploration micro-credential, a tangible recognition of their engagement with emerging technology. The week built momentum with every passing day. Monday opened with strong early momentum. By midweek, a substantial pool of faculty research abstracts had been submitted, double-blind peer-reviewed, and a select group chosen, with most ultimately presented as lightning talks. Brief, powerful, and proof that TAMUK is doing meaningful, forward-thinking work. Then came Friday. The closing luncheon in the M-Sub Ballroom drew 61 attendees, the biggest crowd of the week, to celebrate and look ahead. The featured guest was Dr. James M. Lang, professor of practice at the University of Notre Dame's Knibb Center for Teaching Excellence, and author of 6 books, including Small Teaching. A scholar who has spoken at more than 300 institutions worldwide, his presence at TAMUK was a statement that South Texas is a place where world-class conversations about the future of education happen. The numbers tell a remarkable story: 123 unique participants, 52 faculty, more than 10% of TAMUK's total faculty population, 41 staff, 30 students, 259 total interactions across the week. The impact reached beyond campus. The symposium received formal recognition from Congressman Vicente Gonzalez of Texas's 34th Congressional District, and the city of Kingsville issued a proclamation affirming TAMUK's role as a regional convener for innovation and public dialogue on AI. The inaugural South Texas AI Symposium was more than an event. It was a foundation, proof that this campus has a strong innovation core ready to lead. 123 participants, 8 lightning talks, a world-class scholar, a congressional recognition, a city proclamation, a campus that showed up. Together, the future of AI in higher education is being shaped right now. And here in Kingsville, Texas, what's next starts here.